So when we're looking to compare fisheries worldwide, the country everybody looks to for successful management is Iceland. You have relatively secure fishing rights based on grandfathering. You have a fishery that's profitable. Worldwide, most fisheries are not profitable, and worldwide, most fisheries do not have long-term secure fishing rights. Most countries are subsidizing their fleets, not taxing them.
Eco-auctions are typically used where we think that there's some inefficiency, there's some kind of problem. My impression is that the market process you have here for quotas is working quite well. It's not so clear that if the market itself is working properly, that you would want to do an auction.
If you have a fishery that works, you don't want to mess it up. Worldwide, they mess them up all the time in a variety of ways. And if you have a fishery that is successful, you leave it alone.